Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's both refreshing and nutritious: watermelons. You might have heard the phrase "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," but have you ever considered how a watermelon a day could be even better? In this video, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of incorporating this juicy fruit into your daily routine. So, let's slice into this topic and reveal why you should be munching on watermelons every single day. 1. Nutritional Powerhouse. Watermelons are more than just a summer treat, they're a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with essential vitamins like A and C, watermelons help boost your immune system, keeping you strong and healthy year-round. Plus, they're rich in hydrating properties, which can be a game changer, especially during hot weather or after a workout. 2. Heart Health Hero. Did you know that watermelons are great for your heart? These delicious fruits are a fantastic source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to improved heart health. Regular consumption of lycopene-rich foods like watermelons has been associated with lower risks of heart disease and stroke. So, by munching on watermelons daily, you're giving your heart some much-deserved love. 3. Skin Saver. If you're looking for that natural glow, watermelons are your secret weapon. The high water content in these fruits keeps your skin hydrated, reducing the risk of dryness and promoting elasticity. Additionally, watermelons are rich in another antioxidant called beta-carotene, which can help protect your skin from harmful UV rays and keep it looking youthful. 4. Weight management. Are you on a journey to shed a few pounds? Watermelons can be your best friend. Despite being naturally sweet, they're low in calories and high in water content, making them an excellent choice for those aiming to manage their weight. Snacking on watermelons can help curb your cravings while keeping you hydrated and satisfied. 5. Muscle recovery. Fitness enthusiasts, this one's for you. Watermelons can aid in post-workout muscle recovery. They're rich in an amino acid called citrulline, which has been shown to reduce muscle soreness and improve exercise performance. By including watermelons in your post-exercise snack, you're giving your muscles the support they need to bounce back quicker. 6. Digestive Health. Good digestion is key to overall well-being, and watermelons can contribute to a healthy digestive system. Their high fiber content helps prevent constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. Additionally, the natural enzymes present in watermelons aid in breaking down food, making the digestion process smoother and more efficient. 7. Stress Buster. In today's fast-paced world, stress is almost inevitable. However, watermelons might offer some relief. They contain a compound called citrulline, which has been shown to have a positive impact on blood pressure levels. By keeping your blood pressure in check, watermelons can help you feel calmer and more relaxed. 8. How to incorporate watermelons daily. Now that we know the incredible benefits of eating watermelons daily, let's discuss some creative ways to include them in your routine. From simple slices to refreshing smoothies, there are endless possibilities. You could whip up a watermelon salsa, blend it into a hydrating popsicle, or even toss it in a summer salad for an added burst of flavor. And there you have it, folks, the many reasons why you should consider making watermelons a part of your daily diet. From their impressive nutritional profile to their heart-healthy qualities and skin-loving benefits, watermelons are truly nature's gift to our well-being. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a juicy watermelon and start enjoying the countless advantages it brings. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and keep enjoying the sweetness of life with watermelons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.